Have you ever wondered how tissues, toilet paper, and paper towels are made? This is a factory that makes large rolls of tissue paper, which are then turned into these products.
The process starts with these large bales of pulped wood. These are taken to a pulper with a forklift. Here, they are loaded on a conveyor belt into a mixer. Lots of water is added inside the pulper, and pulp bales are turned into pulp slurry. Now, the pulp slurry is transported in pipes. First, it is cleaned and then taken through a refining process which ensures that the fibers bond better. More water is added into the pulp so that the sheets form better during tissue making. All this happens inside a system that is closed and therefore not visible. This system is monitored on a computer screen by the wood and paper manufacturing machine minder. From here, the machine minder can watch what is going on inside the system. The computer will signal a warning if there are any problems. Once the now very liquid pulp is properly mixed, it is pumped into a tissue machine. Here, the water is removed by gravity, then pressing, and finally, the pulp runs over a large drying cylinder to form a wide sheet of paper. Every now and again, the machine minder gets up from his monitor to visually check the quality of the product.
Now the paper moves at high speed over a blade which ruffles the paper so it becomes soft and pliable, turning it into tissue paper. Now the tissue paper is dry and ready to be rolled into a huge roll. This roll will be transported to another factory where the final products are made. While the machine minder monitors the process on this computer screen, there are also alarms on the machines that can alert him to anything going wrong. Once he sees a fault, he will go and physically check what is happening. Then he can fix the problem. The machine minder needs to have a diploma in chemical engineering or in pulp and paper technology. He needs to be technically minded and really enjoy solving problems. The environment is noisy and dusty, and he has to be able to climb up machines and work in narrow spaces. While he has to have a clear understanding of how the whole process works, if he cannot solve the problem himself, he can call the process control technician or the engineer. This requires being able to work in a team. At the end of the day, the wood and paper manufacturing machine minder has to fill in a production report to show how many of these large rolls of tissue paper were successfully produced on his shift.